to get CapCut Cut for free. If you would like to get the CapCut Pro for free on your very mobile device, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search CapCut out there. After, you have to tap on the very CapCut application. After you tap on the CapCut application, you can see that CapCut will be launched on your very mobile device. After CapCut is launched on your mobile device, you can go to the option the new project out here and then tap on that. After you tap on the option the new project, now you can see that the various kind of videos can be uploaded on that. You have to wait for a while until it happens because sometimes it may be lagging and you may not be able to access it to the very inside. So you can also tap on any of the projects that you have made inside. If the very project also opens a very late or there is any lagging on that, you have to wait for a while until it gets loaded. Now you have to tap on the very picture or the very video that you use here, and then you have to go to any of the pro version that is there. For example, you can search any of the pro version of the audio, the overlay, and the effects as well. You can tap on the option the effects there, and then you can go to the option the body effects or anything like that. You can go to the option the trending as well, and you can also search in the section that is pro, because there are some of the features that only the pro could use. And if you would like to use those CapCut Pro effects here, which are not available in the free version, what you have to do is you have to first put on all of those effects that are pro, and then after you put on the effects or any of those that are just available for the pro, now what you have to do is you have to use it there, and you have to use the very of your screen recorder on your mobile device. And what you can also do is you can also make it to the largest screen out here, and after that, from the help of your screen recorder, you can screen record it, and this way you can use the CapCut Pro version for free. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.